Well, the countdown to the Union Budget 2025 has already begun, and the Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman is catching up with the representatives of various sectors, trade and industry, agriculture, exporters as well. Not just this, a day back, the Prime Minister also met up with key economists in the Niti Aayog meeting. In that, the feedback which went to the government was that there is important that there should be more purchases, people should spend more and more money so that there is a circulation in the economy which takes place. Well, we've got a sneak peek into some of the things which are being mulled by the government. Of course, the focus is going to be on employment generation as well as on increased spending by the people. Look, when you save money, you also want to spend more money, and when you spend, then if whether it's in the automobile sector or smartphones or electronics, it actually generates the economy and leads to its growth. It of course makes these sectors very happy, and in turn it eventually leads to an economic and as well as employment growth. So that is one slab. While nothing has been finalized as yet, one of the proposals which are being mulled is that those who are earning up to 15 lakh in a year per annum, that is, they are going to get a huge tax relief. This is the sector which is going to be targeted because it feels that this is where the spending needs to increase, but at the same time, more expenditure as well as savings also needs to take place. We've also reported earlier on multiple occasions how the personal income tax or the people have increased, which essentially means that people are earning more. It's not just enough to earn more and to pay more taxes, you also need to spend more, and that's going to be the focus of Budget 2025. Apart from this, other key sectors is like the agricultural sector. What I'm picking up is that infrastructural development for the agricultural sector is also something which is going to get a lot of tax concessions, lots of SOPs. The MSMEs, the small savings scheme sectors, these are ones also which are going to be the focus of the budget of 2025, especially in the post-COVID era. But even now, with the kind of turmoil which we are seeing the world over, there are pressing concerns and energy needs which are being felt, and it is felt that this is going to have an impact on economies of all the countries. Especially Indians are very worried about the impact. For example, our exports may have increased, our import bills are coming down, but at the same time there are concerns that will we have to spend more and more on importing oil. We are looking for alternative countries to purchase our oil from, Russia, Kuwait, the Prime Minister's recent visit, and this could have an impact on the economic growth story. And that's the reason why the budget needs to be people's friendly, to ensure that the image which goes of the government is one in which it looks as pro-poor, also at the same time pro middle class, which seems to be one of those people section of people who are a little upset, and also they are able to save more and also spend more. That's the way the cycle of economic growth takes place.